This video shows you some practical information about how to insert and change the battery, how to turn your Ponto 4 sound processor on and off, when to replace the battery, and how to handle a tamper-resistant battery drawer. To insert a new battery in your Ponto 4, make sure to fully open the battery drawer. Remove the sticky label from the plus side of the new battery. To ensure optimal functioning, please wait 2 minutes so that the battery can draw air. Insert the new battery into the battery drawer. Make sure the plus side is facing down. Close the battery drawer. The sound processor will now play a jingle to inform you the sound processor is now on. The battery drawer of the sound processor is used to switch the sound processor on and off. Open the battery drawer to turn off the sound processor, and close the drawer to turn it on. Your sound processor will notify you when it is time to replace the battery. You will hear 3 beeps repeated in moderate intervals until the battery runs out. When the battery has run out, 4 descending tones will be heard. You can also ask your hearing care professional to program your Ponto 4 so that the LED light indicates when the battery is low. The battery lifetime of your sound processor depends on the listening environment and how often you are streaming sound. To make sure the sound processor is always working, bring spare batteries with you or replace the battery before you leave home. Remember that batteries can be harmful if swallowed and should always be kept out of reach of children. Your hearing care professional can attach a tamper-resistant battery drawer to Ponto 4. To unlock the tamper-resistant drawer, insert the tip of the pin tool into the hole on the left side of the battery drawer. Lever the tool against the sound processor and press downwards to open the battery drawer. To save battery life, make sure your sound processor is switched off when not in use. During longer storage, it is recommended that you remove the battery from the sound processor.